Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a super quick DIY hair serum that makes your hair smooth and silky. For this serum we need just 3 simple ingredients. Take a clean bowl and add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel you have at home. Then add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Next add 3 to 4 drops of almond oil. Here I have 2 different brands, but you can use any almond oil you have. Don't add too much oil because it can make your hair greasy. Just a few drops are enough. Now mix everything really well until you get a smooth creamy texture. And wow, the hair serum is ready. Now let's see how to apply this hair serum. Here's how I use it. First, shampoo your hair and gently towel dry. When your hair is still damp, apply this serum on the hair length. Make sure you don't apply it on the scalp, just on the lengths. After that, comb your hair and let it dry naturally. And that's it. You will notice your hair feels smoother, softer and has a natural shine. The best part is it is completely natural and made with ingredients that are easily available at home. So if you ever run out of your regular serum, you can try this quick DIY hack. It's not like market serums, but it works as a natural hack, especially when you suddenly run out of your regular serum. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.